That is a big DeLorean car toy. This is wireless LED DeLorean, and I have designed a PCB board DeLorean badge. Today's video project is sponsored by PCBWay. Besides the regular multi-layer PCB board production, PCBWay offers online 3D printing service, online sheet metal fabrication service, and CNC machining parts online. Check PCBWay, I will put link below this video. Next, after designing the PCB Delorean badge, I take the Gerber files and upload them to PCBWay service for ordering 2-layer PCB boards, and you can choose whatever color you want. For $5 you will get 10 pieces of high quality produced printed circuit boards from PCBWay. Take a look at my design. So next step is soldering the SMD chip 8010-85, the 4 very tiny LEDs, the switch, and for powering this PCB Delorean badge I will use, as I said, a super capacitor of 2.7 volts and 10 farads, and it's rechargeable and can last many years. This is the big toy. This is the printed circuit board Delorean badge, not soldered and not completed. And here it is, the finished product. Super capacitor, the micro switch, 4 LEDs, and the 8010-85. Let's try it. Turning on. Yup. How cool is that? And I made also one more, but this one is with lithium battery. Okay. This is super fun. I hope you like these very small mini gadgets, printed circuit board gadgets or Delorean PCB. I love them. Thank you for watching. Give a thumb up and see you next time.